guys, thank you for coming with me to Target. Let's take a look at what they have over here in nails. Alright guys, so I was looking for the 100% nail polish remover. Here's 100% acetone. There you go, but this one is Dip It. Let me see if I can, here it is. Okay, I'm so happy I found that, so you know what, I'm grabbing two. So there's the strengthening nail polish remover, guys, and then here are, let's start from the top. So this one is called Ella and Mila Nail Care. I don't think I've ever heard of them. So let me place this right here so we can take a good look at this stuff. So this has like a little elephant there. Is this all natural? I'm not sure, guys, but look how nice those colors are. And it says soy polish remover. Okay, so, and then here's the nail polishes, guys. I don't know, have you heard of these? Anyway, they're $10.49, and they come in these colors. Let me see if I can find that purple. I've been looking for like a purple, really nice deep purple. I'm not sure. I'll know when I see it. It's like a deep, I don't know how to explain. So over here, these are $6.99 Defy. These are called Defy. And this is called Defy. So these are two, makes three. These are $5.49. These here are Sally Hansen Pure, $6.79. I thought we were in the, okay, so I'm just gonna show you what's in front of me. So anyway, these colors here are very nice, guys. And then look at these, that's black, I'm loving that gray. And then look at this color right here. Isn't that beautiful? So that's $6.99. Then you have something here called Defy Inspire VitaFit, and those are $2.99. So these are a little bit less. So we're getting close, guys. We're getting close with the purple color that I'm looking for. But anyway, these here are $8.69 by OPI, and these are the colors that they have. These are nice colors right here, and these, look at this. So those are $8.69 over here. Then these here are CND, $10.50 by Revlon. This is a nice color. I love that color. Then here is your metallic silver, and then you have OPI here and Orly breathable. This is a beautiful color, red. So then they come in these colors too, and these are 10 over 10, and those are $12, and they come in those colors. So you have the strengthening, the nail dryer, the rose polish remover, and the celery oil right there. Then CND is $10.49. And they come in those colors, these colors, these colors. This is a nice purple, and I'm loving that blue. So those are $10.50. Then we're back down to OPI. So here's Sinful Color. So those are $2.99. And let's see, this is like a lavender color. Okay. So here is Essie. And Essie $7.79, and they have these colors right here, these right here. Let's see, you got all of these. Then down here, what is this? Gel Couture, Essie $11.49, and then they have these colors down here. Then down here you have some more Essie. Then the Sally Hansen Instant Dry Matte, $4.59, $7.49, guys. And they have these colors here. I'm loving those deep colors. Look at this one. Look at that one. And these metallic ones are so nice. So here's the Mega Strength by Sally Hansen. Those are $4.49. They come in those colors. Then here, they come in these colors. These are $4.59. And these are $4.59 also. We'll get into the nails. I was looking for a heavy duty nail glue. Guys, I'm loving these. So these fancy nails right here, those are $7.99. And look at these. I'm liking that blue. These are really pretty too. $7.99, guys. See them? Look at this style right here. Very pretty. Ardell, $5.99, $7.99. Look at those. See them? Very pretty, guys. So they have some nail clippers. And I'm seeing the nails, but I'm not seeing the nail glue. And then here's some eyelashes. So let me just show you those. $7.99, $6.49. Those down here, $6.89. So no, I don't see. I'm not seeing the nail glue. Okay, guys. So that's all we have. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my nail polish, guys. Thank you for coming with me to Target to look at the nail stuff, and I will see you guys in another video.